Hey, it's Alan here. I'm doing a quick analysis of the markets for January the 6th, the 6th of January 2015. So let's kick off with the Euro US dollar. So there looks to be a bit of uncertainty with this pin bar here. This pin bar does indicate that it could be bullish movement, but it's not near any lines which I've drawn, so I'm a bit unsure at this point. I will say that I have made a trade on the New Zealand US dollar, but I'll get back to that one. So on the USD Swissy, we've noticed that there's a massive pin bar there. So the bulls have pushed it up, but the bears have pushed it down even further, so it's back to a pin bar. We'll wait to see what happens on this current day, which is now, to see if there's a bit of a reversal going on, but that's a massive pin bar there. Not much happening on the pound to the US dollar. It looks to be very much in the same lines of the Euro USD. The yen, so we've sold this, so there looks to be a bit of short-term resistance there, so we're just playing the bet that it might be going down. I tried to play an inside bar there, so you had two inside bars there, actually three inside bars, and now it's just broken off past the sell point. So we've placed a sell order there, and we've placed the stop loss just above the rest of the short-term lines there. Onto the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. So it looks like there's a bit of a retracement back up. There does look like there's some pin bars in place, which could suggest that the Australian dollar drops even further. But we'll see if this line here is going to provide some resistance, in which case we might be looking to short it in the next couple of days. US dollar to Canadian, doesn't seem to be too much going on. It looks like almost a pin bar there, but there's nothing certain at this point. So we'll just keep an eye on it and see what happens next. The New Zealand to the US dollar. So we've placed a buy order here based on this pin bar here, and based on the current trend, it just looks like it's ranging at the moment. And it looks like there could be some sort of I believe it's the morning star or evening star formation forming there, and we've just placed the stop loss just below the low of that pin bar there. So hopefully it traces back up. Similar story here with the Australian to US dollar. So it looks like a very faint pin bar there, but similar formation again, and we'll see if it bounces back up. The euro to the pound. Doesn't seem to be too much going on. There's no real clear signal. I'm anticipating that it's going to be a buy, or it's going to go up, based on the bit of past history that we've got here. It just looks like it's ranging between these two lines anyway, so I suspect this will just go up. But there's no clear signal to buy at this point, other than it just looks like it's ranging. So we haven't made a trade there. This one I've just placed an order just because it looks like it's dropping, and it's past quite a few of the previous resistance lines or support lines. So we've based the sell off this pin bar right here. So, and there's a couple of pin bars before it as well. And there's also this reverse hammer, reverse hammer, that indicates that it could be a sell anyway. So we're gonna take profit over here just before this support or resistance line. Looking at the Great British Pound to the Australian dollar, again, this looks like it could be a potential sell. But we've got quite a few lines going on here, so we're not 100% confident. Plus, there's no clear signal besides the ones up here, which actually kind of look like a buy pin bar signal, but it actually indicated a reversal, and thus a bit of uncertainty. So we'll see if this line